Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Microsoft Office 365 offline for free. If you want to use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and other Office products for free on your PC, then I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to open a browser and then you have to search for your Microsoft account, or you can also search for Microsoft 365 download. Then you will get this first link for the download. You have to click onto it. After that you will get onto this website. Then you have to just simply go and choose this option for download for Windows. Then it will open another tab, and after that the downloading will start. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Once the downloading is done, then you have to install it. Now as the downloading is done, you have to click onto the file, and after that it will start this page. So this installation process can take up to 4 to 5 minutes. It does not ask you for a lot of options like we normally get when we are installing any other software. It just shows you this interface or maybe this one for a while. And once it gets done, then it will not show you anything. But what you have to do is you have to simply go to your desktop, and in the search bar you have to simply search for Office, Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, whatever you want, and you will see all these products are installed in your computer. You have to click onto it and it will open like this. Now what you have to do is to start using them, you have to simply sign up using your Outlook account or your Microsoft account. So you have to simply log in with your account, and after that you will be able to use it. To use it offline for free, you will get its free version, which will be the free trial for few days. After that you have to get its subscription, but for now you can just simply enjoy its free trial, and it will also work offline whenever you don't have the internet access. You can go and use Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and other features, and whatever work you would like to do on the Microsoft Office 365, you will be able to do it. So that's how you can use Microsoft 365 for free offline. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.